Hey, future business analysts and project managers. Ever been stuck in a project where no one knows who's approving what, changes fly around like confetti, and chaos takes over? Yup, that's what happens when governance is missing. Today, I'm going to break down one of the most powerful yet overlooked skills in business analysis, planning business analysis governance. Stick around because I'll share a real-time example that you can actually relate to. All right, let's start with the basics. Business analysis governance is all about creating a decision-making framework around requirements and designs. That includes how changes are handled, who approves them, and how priorities are set. Think of it like the rules of the game in a project. Without rules, even the best players get lost. Let me take you into a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a business analyst working on a healthcare app for patient appointment scheduling. The app allows patients to book appointments, chat with doctors, and receive digital prescriptions. Midway through development, the sales team says, "Hey, let's add a feature where patients can order medicines directly." Sounds cool, right? But wait, who decides if this feature should be added now or later? Will it delay the current timeline? Who approves the change? Is it even feasible? This is where BA governance comes into play. As a BA, your job is to plan how these decisions are made before the chaos begins. You define how business analysis work is approached and prioritized, who has the authority to propose or approve changes, what the change control process looks like, and how changes are communicated across teams. In our example, the product owner might have final approval. The development lead assesses technical feasibility. The project manager evaluates the impact on timeline and cost. And you, the BA, facilitate the discussion and document the decision. You bring everyone to the table and say, "Here's the impact. Here's what we gain. Here's what we lose. Let's make a call together by the governance plan we agreed on." Boom. Clarity, control, and no surprises. So why should you care as a future BA or PM? Because governance makes you a trusted leader, someone who creates order, drives collaboration, and protects the project from derailment. Imagine walking into your next interview and saying, "In my last project, I implemented a governance model that reduced change request delays by 40%. That's the kind of value hiring managers love. Here are 3 quick tips when planning BA governance in your project. Define roles early. Know who approves, who reviews, and who implements. Create a change request template. Keep it simple but consistent. Review regularly. Governance isn't a one-time task. Adapt as the project evolves." To wrap it up, governance isn't about red tape. It's about smart decision-making. It's what separates chaotic projects from successful ones. If you're aiming to grow as a BA or PM, start practicing how to set up governance structures, even in small projects. It builds leadership, confidence, and credibility. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world BA and PM insights. And hey, what's your biggest challenge in handling change requests? Let me know below.